Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Arif Imran Bmma. Today my group is going to present about 3D free body diagram representation from actual structure. Our group is going to analyze ceiling mounted cassette. For introduction, a free body diagram are used by engineers as a tool to identify the forces and moments in an object or structure. It is extensively used in statics and other types of engineering courses. Therefore, it is crucial to master the concept of drawing a free body diagram. Drawing an accurate free body diagram is the most important step in the process of solving an equilibrium problem. It is the backbone for solving all problems involving equilibrium equation. An incorrect free body diagram can lead to problems to determine the equations and analysis, which can also lead to wrong solutions as well.
Good morning, my name is Arun Raj and I'm from FTKMP, Kejuruteraan Technology Automotive, and my group is conducted assignment statics about ceiling mounted cassette, and now I want to present about justification of structure. Ceiling mounted cassette. The ceiling mounted cassette has a mass of 16 kg with a height of 0.3 meters, width and length of 0.65 meters, which is supported by beams that are 2.5 meters high and 1.17 meters wide. It hangs from the beam with 4 supports hanging 0.64 meters down and sits 0.5 meters apart, forming a square. Two cross members with the length of 0.98 meters are put to support the 90 degrees band that offsets the cassette. This allows the structure to be stronger and more stable. The force on the beams is evenly distributed among the cross members. And there is the drawing of the ceiling mounted cassette. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Aziz and I'm going to present about free body diagram. First, the distance A to C is the length of pole to whole ceiling mounted cassette. The length A to C is 2.5 meter. Next, the length C to E is 0.9 meter. The pole is being supported by a support bar BD. The angle of the bar is 45 degree. And at point E, the value of W is 156.96 Newton, facing downward from point E.
Hi, I'm Gritaran. I'm going to present about the equation of equilibrium. So we need to use 4 methods to find equation of equilibrium. The first one is reaction force. For the reaction force, the bending moment becomes 0. So we need to times the weight, which is negative 156.96 with 0.9, which is the length of the beam, plus with Cx times 2.5, which is the height of the ceiling mounted cassette, equal to 0. So if we calculate this, we can find the value of the Cx, which is 56.50 Newton. To find the Ax, we need to assume that the Fx is equal to 0, which is Ax minus Cx equal to 0. So as before, we have already find the Cx value. So we get the Ax minus 56.50 equal to 0. So the value of the AX is 56.50. To find the EY, just a different Fy equal to 0, AY minus E equal to 0. So we have already get the E value. So AY minus 156.96 equal to 0. So we get that AY is equal to 156.96. The second method is support bar force, which is the MC equal to 0, which equals to negative 156.96 times 0.9 minus FT sine 45 times 0.63 equal to 0. As we calculate this, we can find the value of the FT, which is negative 313.91 Newton, so that we can assume that the force of B and equal to force of D. The third one is force at support bar. The force Y equal to 0, so that the Cy plus Ft sine 45 minus E equal to 0 too. So this Cy plus the value of Ft is already done before this at the support bar force, so that Cy plus bracket negative 313.91 sine 45 minus 156.96 equal to 0, so that we can find the Cy, which is 378.93. As at last, we can find the equation of equilibrium. The Mx equal to 0 and F2 times 0.65 plus F4 bracket 0.65 minus 156.96 times 0.33 equal to 0. As the F2 and F4 are the same value as I said before, so we write right bracket F2 plus F4 bracket of another bracket 0.65 equal to 51.80, so that the force 2 and plus force 4 is equal to 79.69 Newton. Assume that the F1 equal to F2 equal to F3 equal to F4. F2 and F4 we have already get, so which is F2 plus F4 equal to 79.69. So we can get as F2 is equal to 79.69 Newton divided by 2, so that we can get F2 is equal to 39.85. As I said before, when the F2 is that value is 39.85, so that all the force, which is force 1 and force 2, force 3 and force 4 is the same, which is 39.85. So these are the methods to find the equation of equilibrium of the ceiling mounted cassette. So that's all from me and my group members. Thank you.